Alright, we're going to make some badass grilled chicken right here. This is what you marinate it in. You gotta have Olive Garden Italian dressing. It's gotta be Olive Garden. Can't be anything else. Completely submerge it. Gotta have this chili garlic sauce. Going about two tablespoons maybe. That looks about right. About a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. I like that. About 2 tablespoons of ketchup, just regular old ketchup. And some of this good old yellow mustard. About 2 tablespoons. Just mix all that up. It's best to let it set overnight. And then grill your chicken. And then it's good eating.